Hi, my name is John Rock, and I'm a partner at DoxAdvisors. Welcome to another in our series of Docs Tips videos. Here's where you learn tips on how to be more productive with new features in Worldox. In today's Docs tip, we're going to show you how to use the Make This My Favorite View feature. You will appreciate this one tip, I am certain. Make This My Favorite View is the one feature in Worldox that many users are unaware of how to use it and where it is. And when you see this feature, a light's going to go off and you're going to go, oh, that's how you do that. There is one activity in Worldox that frustrates more users than any other from my experience. Here's the scenario. You open up the Worldox file list window and you make a change. You might want to change your background or your font color, or you may want to change the font size or change your column headers or column sorting. All that works great for today. However, the next time you open Worldox, it goes back to the way it was before you made the change, and that is very frustrating. So this one little feature will allow you to save any changes you've made in the Worldox display window for all times. So let's take a look at how to use this, make this my favorite view, and save those changes you've made in the Worldox file list window. So let me show you where we make a change and we save the changes we made. So open up Worldox by double-clicking the work zone icon on the desktop. This will open up your Worldox file list to your favorite files. Oftentimes I want to expand a column so I can see the full file name in the list. And then I want to sort by modified. So I want to see my most recent files at the top of the list. And maybe I want to add a field over here to list the cabinet that the files are in. So I've made the changes to the file list window. However, if I click on a new tab and I click on a new file list, those changes aren't here. And if I close Worldox and come back tomorrow, those changes will not be here either. So come back to the window where we make the changes, and as soon as you make the change, come up here to the gear icon that says Customize and choose the Make This My Favorite View. And once you do that, once you click on a new file list window, you'll see the changes you've made, and that window will hold that look. So again, make your changes to the window, choose the gear icon for Customize, and choose Make This My Favorite View. And that's as easy as it is to set the favorite view in Worldox. We hope you've enjoyed this little tip. Feel free to go over to our website and sign up for our online training course where there's many more tips just like this. Thank you.